Hi guys, in this video I will show you about how we can use parseInt and parseFloat. Okay, because when we are programming JavaScript, sometimes we use string data and other times number data. Whatever, mixing these two types can cause problems in our code. For example, I will look my code, but I need to remove it. Okay, I will remove the signal more here and remove this decimal part. Okay, and you need to understand that I'm using live server extension, okay, to reload automatically on our web page when I click on Ctrl S in my code. Okay, look my code. First, I create here an input constant, okay, with the value 10, but 10 it's a string, it's not a number. And next, after I add other constant here with result when I'm adding our input constant with 5. But you need to understand that when we adding a string with a number, we are concatenate your values. So in this case, 10 like string more 5, it's 105. So do you know that to change it, we can remove these quotes. Okay, perfect. But I will show you about that we can use parseInt. Okay, parseInt and within your parentheses and save that. Perfect. Now result it's 15 because parseInt converts a string to an integer. I think so. Okay, to a number. But we can do it with other way. For example, we can remove parseInt, remove parentheses, and adding the signal more plus signal plus signal. Okay, and Ctrl S, save that. Perfect. Now I will. So you need to understand that with the plus signal, we can convert a string to a number. Okay, it's important. I will remove it now. And in this case, I want at 10.5, for example. Save that. We have a problem because 10.5 more 5 is not 10.55. Obvious that I'm using here a string. So to resolve it, we can use parseInt how the last time and save that. Oops, we have a problem because the correct sentence here is not 15 but 15.5. But we have a problem because parseInt ignores the decimal part and converts only the integer, which is 10 in this case. Okay. So to resolve it, we can use parseFloat in this case, because parseFloat don't ignore the decimal part of a number. So save that. Perfect. Now the correct sentence is 15.5. Good. But look that we can use to the plus signal how the last time. Save that. 15.5. So you need to understand that by adding the plus sign, we can convert a string to a number, either integer or decimal number. Okay, it's important. That's it, folks. If you like the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, see you next time.